Thank you, President. On August 31st, the UN Human Rights Committee reported that suspending 4 Catalan elected representatives was a violation of their political rights and, more importantly, the rights of their voters. The UN reported that Spain is in violation of Article 25 of the Charter and is denying Catalans their constitutional rights. This happens in plain sight under your watch, the watch of this Parliament, and the watch of this Commission. But we never hear anything from you. Is it your policy to wait for some outside institution to speak before you recognize the violation of the rights of European citizens? Or do you reserve this mistreatment for Catalans only? Is your silence weakness or cynicism? The report that we are discussing today rightly states that the widespread violations of human rights in the EU are causing serious danger and in some cases are systemic. You know this. Now that the UN has certified that Spain is unable to live up to its own constitution, should we start saying the same of the Union and the treaties? Or will you dare to stop discrimination against European citizens on the basis of their nationality? Thank you very much.